Assalamualaikum. Hello guys. Alright, let's do tutorial question for the topic of resident status. Okay, this is past year February 2023. Resident status, you guys need to refer to questions 1B. Okay, so here we go. Let's do it together. Take out your past year exam. Take out your exercise book. Let's do it together. All right. So are you ready, guys? Okay, let's get started, everyone. Before you start, always read the required because we need to know when to start and what is the year to end. So, look at our required here. Determine the tax resident status of Adeline for the year of 2017. So our first YA will be YA 2017 until the year of 2022. Alright, so next, state the relevant sections and reason for your answers. This one is standard, guys. Alright, so look at the first paragraph. Who is Adeline? So Adeline has been working as a consultant in ICT engineering and constructions Sendirian Berhad. Guys, whenever I see the word Sendirian Berhad, you know that this is Malaysian company. Because our Malaysian company ends with the word either Sendirian Berhad or Berhad. Since 2017. Now, next, she is a citizen of Germany. So everyone, we know that the fact that Adeline, she is not Malaysian. So she is from Germany, meaning to say she is a foreigner. So what you need to know about foreigner is, guys, what happened before she came to Malaysia? Okay. So we know that from the information, she started working in Malaysia since 2017. How about before 2017? If question silent, we assume that she never went to Malaysia before 2017. So let's see the information later. Alright? Okay, next. She works on a project basis and will only be in Malaysia if there is a project. Guys, look at the sentence carefully and analyze it. Whenever we record period of stay, we only record period of stay if she stays in Malaysia. If she is absent from Malaysia due to temporary absence, TA, we also record the date in our answer. So very clear, guys. From this sentence, we know that she will not be in Malaysia for the whole year. Because question said that she only been in Malaysia if there is a project. Alright, next. Her period of stay in this country are as follows. Alright, so you are given information, period of stays, followed by notes. So now, let's take a look on our note and identify whether these three notes are TA or not TA. Read carefully, everyone. Alright, so number one, on 1st May 2018 until 31st May 2018, she was in England. Remember, guys, England is not Malaysia, meaning to say from 1st May to 31st May, she was absent from Malaysia. But look at the reason. Is it due to TA or not? So, she was in England because visiting her brother who suffered from a stroke. Okay. So, let's analyze, everyone. Is it TA or not? Now, TA, there are three categories, isn't it? Category number one is not suitable, related to his work matter, of course not. Okay. And then, category number two, somebody is sick. So, in this case, her brother suffered from a stroke. Now, IRB set up a guideline that, due to ill health, it is considered as TA only if you visit your immediate family members. And immediate family members can be divided into three categories, guys. Spouse, children, and also parent, isn't it? So in this case, who is the family? Brother. So brother does not falls under definition of immediate family members. So what happened? So the whole month of May, this is considered as absent. This is not temporary absent. No need to record in your answer. Okay, so far so good, guys. Alright, so look at number 2. She attended a seminar. Okay, sponsored by the company in Tokyo from 31st July to 5th August. Now, look at the keyword here. Attended seminar and then sponsored by the company. And then she was in Tokyo, isn't it? Okay, Tokyo is not Malaysia. Tokyo is in Japan. So, why she was in Japan? Attending seminar. Okay, who asked her to attend the seminar? Company. So, the company is in Malaysia here, isn't it? In Malaysia. So, due to that, guys, because of the company is in Malaysia, and then the company asked her to attend seminar, so this is related to her job. So, very clear cut, this is temporary absent. You must record the date in your answer. Okay, now we go to number 3. On 16 August 2021, she was in Germany visiting her mother. Okay, why? Her mother collapsed due to high blood pressure. So meaning to say her mother was sick. Guys. And then she was in Germany until 18 December 2021. Meaning to say 16 August until 18 December, she was in Germany, accompanied her mother who was sick. Guys, this one, is it falls under TA or not? Definitely is yes. Why? Because mother is parent. So parent falls under immediate family member. So due to that, guys, note number 3, confirm this is TA. Alright? Okay, before that, guys, let me explain about note number 1. So note number 1, visiting her brother suffered from stroke. So whenever you guys see the word stroke, you know that this is ill health, isn't it? Somebody is sick. But remember, guys, under TA, there are 3 categories. So if you cannot try category number 1, related to her work matter, or category number 2, ill health, you can try category number 3, social visit. Social visit, it doesn't matter whatever the reason, you go to overseas. But social visit, we have restrictions number of days, not more than 14 days. So guys, do you think that we can try number 1 to use social visit? Okay, look at the date. 1st May until 31st May, very obvious this is 31 days. 31 days more than 14 days, isn't it? So since the visit is more than 14 days, therefore, this one fail TA category social visit. Okay. So make sure you guys try all the categories of social visit before you say that this is not TA. Okay. So we have done discussing note number 1 until note number 3. So let's do it, guys. Starting from 2017. Okay, what do we have for 2017? 1st October 2017. And then suddenly the date until 17 August 2018. Guys, remember, when you do residence status, always do it year by year. You cannot do it 2 years in one column. No, you need to separate year by year. So in this case, start with 2017. So if the first date here, she was in Malaysia 1st October until 17 August 2018, meaning to say 17, she stayed in Malaysia until the end of the year, isn't it? So that's why for 2017, everyone, period of stay start from 1st October until the end of the year of 2017. This is her period of stay for 2017. Okay, next, let's calculate our number of days. Alright, so this one start from October. So October is 31. October 31. Okay, November 30. December until end of the year 31. So I got here 92 days. Okay, Guys, let's try section 7. Subsections 1A. Okay, what is A? Stay in Malaysia for at least 182 days or more. So very clear, 92 is less than 182. You cannot use A. Okay, let's try B. B, there are two ways. Link by, link to. Okay, link by. We need help from last year. Do we have 2016, everyone? No. So meaning to say, you cannot use link by. Okay, how about link 2? Link 2, we need to go forward. You need help from next year. Do we have next year 2018? Of course we do. Okay, so let's prepare for 2018. Okay, what do we have for 2018? Okay, 2018. Stay until 17 August 2018. But be careful guys, we have note number 1. So note number 1, this is not TA, isn't it? Meaning to say, she was absent for the whole May. So how do we record? So here we go. This one, we are going to record starting from January 2018. So 1st January 2018 until before 1st May. So before 1st May is 30th April. Okay, so record here 1st January to 30th April. And then don't forget about missing month here guys. She was not in Malaysia for the whole May. Alright, 1st until 31st May. Okay, continue. After 31st May is 1st June. Until, okay, look at this date. 17 August 2018. So you record like this. Alright, so now everyone. Okay, let's try to do 2018. 2018 Okay, settle 2017 first. Remember, we were trying to use link 2, isn't it? Okay, so let's try our link 2. Alright, conditions number 1. Before you can cross 17 to 18, there is one condition. So 2017, it must be at the end of the year because you need to link to the next year. Next year, you will see the first calendar January. So normally, December, I need 31st December. January, I need 1st January, isn't it? So, do we have 31st December? Yes, we do. Yes, we do. Okay, next, you cross over to 2018. So, the first date that I need is after 31st December, it must be 1st January. Do we have 1st January? Yes, we do. Yes, we do, guys. Okay, next. Starting from 1st January here, I need, 182 days consecutively. Meaning to say the period cannot putus-putus. Okay, so what do we have here, guys? Alright, so number 1. Okay, 1st January until 30th April. Oh, before that, guys, I forgot. Let's calculate our number of days first. Let's calculate our number of days. Alright, 2018, this is not a leap year. Alright, so our February will be 28. Okay, 1st January, right? Okay, January 31 plus February plus March 31, April 30. So I got here 120 days. Okay, the second date, 1st June until 17 August, June 30, July 31, August plus 17. Alright, so total up. So I got here 198. Okay, here we go. First condition is done. Second condition for January. Starting from 1st January until 30 April. How many days do we have? 120. It is not enough because I need 182. So what should we do? So we go down to the second layer of the date. Make sure period is consecutive. Alright, 30th April. So when you go down, the next day is supposed to be 1st May. Isn't it? But there is no 1st May. She was absent. So what happened, guys? The period is not consecutive. So when the period is not consecutive, cancel our link 2. Okay, now let's try C. Okay, what is C, everyone? Okay, C. Stay in Malaysia for at least 90 days. Okay, look at here. Do we have 90 days? Yes, we do. And then 3 out of 4 immediate preceding years. Guys, do we even have 16, 15, and then 14, and then 13? No. Because the first time she came to Malaysia is 2017, isn't it? Therefore, we cannot use C. Okay, last option, let's try D. D, first condition. 3 immediate preceding years are resident. Do we even have 3 immediate? Of course no, isn't it? Since all the section cannot be used, then what is our status, guys? And R. That's why 2017, the answer is not resident. Okay, so now 2018, guys, we already total up number of days 198. Very obvious, more than 182 days, isn't it? That's why the answer is resident. Section 7, subsection 1A. How do we give reason? Okay, give definition A. Stay in Malaysia for at least, not more than, at least 182 days. Okay, next, we go to 2019. Okay, what do we have? 2019, 5th January until 29 July. Okay, calculate number of days, everyone. January is 31 minus 5 plus 1. February 28, March 31, April 30, May 31, June 30, July until 29. Okay, so total up. So I got here 206. Guys, 206 very clear. More than 182 days, isn't it? That's why the status is exactly like 2018, resident A. Okay, give the same reason as 2018. Okay, now we go to YA 2020. What do we have for 2020? 1st March until 25th April. Okay, 1st March until 25th April. Okay, followed by 19 September 2020 until 7 January 21. Be careful, guys. This one overlap 2 years. Focus only YA20. So YA20, we need to say 19 September until the end of the year, which is 31st December. That's all information for YA20. Okay, be careful, everyone, because 2020 is a leap year. So we do, if we have February is 29. Okay, so here we go March. So March 31 plus April 25. So 56. Followed by second date. September is 30 minus 19 plus 1. October 31. November 30. December 31. So I got 104. Total up. Total number of days is 160 days. Okay. Guys, 160 days. Everyone, let's try to use A. Very obvious, guys. Less than 182, meaning to say no A. Okay, fine. How about B? Okay, let's try Limbai first. Limbai, I need 1st January in 2020. Do we have 1st January? No. So we cannot use link 5. Okay, fine. How about link 2? Okay, link 2. Do we have next year? Yes, we do. Okay, everyone, let's settle for next year. Okay, what do we have date for next year? So the first one here, until 7 January, isn't it? Okay, therefore, 1st January until 7 January. Followed by, we have note number 2 and number 3, guys. Be careful. Okay, 15 June until 31st December. Be careful, guys. We have TA here. Okay, one by one. Okay, so date start from 15 June until before TA here. Before TA 31st July. So before 31st July is 30th July. That's why our date will be 15 June until before TA until 30th July. Okay. Followed by our TA. Okay, TA 31st July until 5th August. Okay, 31st July, 5th August. Okay, followed by, after 5th August, what happened, guys? Okay, look at this date. She was in Malaysia until 31st December, right? So meaning to say after 5th July, 6th July, 6th August, after 5th August, 6th August, she was in Malaysia. But be careful, guys. 6th August and then 16th August is our TA, isn't it? So 6th August until before 16, before TA is 15 August. So 6 until 15 August. Okay, followed by TA, 16 August until 18 December 21. This one is TA. Okay, followed by back to this note, she was in Malaysia until 31st December. Isn't it? Until the end of the year. So TA last 18. So continue next day, 19 until 31st December. She was in Malaysia. Very complicated, the date, isn't it? So you guys need to be very careful. Okay? Alright, so let's calculate number of days, everyone. Alright, 2020, 1st January to 7th January. Of course, this is 7 days. And then 15 June. Okay, June 30 minus 15 plus 1. And then July 30, so 46. So our TA, 31st July, 1 day, isn't it? Okay, plus 5, so 6 days. And then 6 August until 15 August, this is the same month. So second date minus the first date plus 1. So you will get here 10 days. And then our TA, alright, so TA, 16 August. So 31 minus 16 plus 1 plus September 30, October 31, November 30, August 18. So you will get 125 days TA. Don't forget to put in bracket TA. Yeah? Okay, and then 19 to 31st December, 31 minus 19 plus 1, 13 days. Guys, total up. How many days? Guys, we have two TAs. Two TAs. Do not add TA. Why? TA can only be added when you do link to or link by. We are not doing link to link by. We are just simply calculating number of days. So total up, without TA, you will get 76 days. Okay. Guys, get back to 2020. Just now, we were trying to use link to. Isn't it? Okay. So, what is the condition for link to, everyone? Conditions number 1. Before you can cross over to YA 2021, I need 1 day in December. So at the end of the year, our calendar 31st December. Yes, we do have 31st December. Now, you cross to YA 2021. After 31st December, January, I need 1 day, which is 1st January. So, starting from 1st January, I need 182 days consecutively. Okay, 1 by 1. 1 by 1. Okay, 1st January to 7th January, 7 days. Not enough, not enough. I need 182. So, what should we do? Go to the second date. Make sure period is consecutive. 7 January, the next day supposed to be 8 January. However, here is 15 June. Guys, where is our 8 January? 8 January, she was not in Malaysia. Meaning to say the period is not consecutive. So what should we do? No. We cannot use link to. No link to in this case. Because the period is not consecutive. So what should we do? Alright, 2020 guys. Let's try C. Okay, let's try C. What is C? First condition, stay in Malaysia for at least 90 days. Yes, first condition is met. Second condition, 3 out of 4 immediate preceding years are either resident or stay in Malaysia for at least 90 days. So 3 out of 4, we are going to start from 2019, 1. 2018, 2. 2017, 3. Okay, look at the status, guys. 19 resident, yes, we got 1. 18 resident, yes, we got 2. I need 3. One more, guys. Status is NR. However, you have option. Look at number of days. Is it at least 90? Yes. Now I got 3. So that's why YA 2020, the answer is resident. Section 7, subsection 1C. So the way you guys give reason, give definition C. stay in Malaysia for at least 90 days. And make sure it is and not or. And 3 out of 4 immediate preceding years. What were the YA just now? 19, 18, 17. So you must write in your answer the Y is or either resident or stay in Malaysia for at least 90 days. Alright? Okay, settle for our YA 2020. Now let's do it YA 2021. 2021 guys, there are so many dates here, isn't it? Alright, let's see one by one. Okay, since our number of day here, 76. There are so many dates, but number of days is only 76. Very obvious, no A. Do you agree, guys? No A. Okay, how about Limbai? Okay, Limbai, conditions number 1. Conditions number 1. 2021, I need 1 day in January. So what is the date? 1st January. Do we have 1st January? Yes, we do. Okay, now, you reverse to YA 2020. So when you reverse, meaning to say your calendar will start at the end of the year. So the end of the year meaning to say December. December, I need 31st December. So 2 dates are important. 1st January, 31st December. So this is the bridge. Okay, do we have 31st December? Yes, we do. Okay, look at number of days, guys. 19th September to 31st December, we got only 104. Not enough. I need 182. So what should we do? Okay, you go up here. Go up here. Make sure the period is consecutive. 19th September. So to make it consecutive, so the date is supposed to be 18th September. But here the date is April. Meaning to say 18th September is missing, isn't it? So period is not consecutive. So what should we do? Okay, fine. Cancel. Cancel our link by. So let's try link 2. In order for you guys to do link 2, okay, do we have 2022? Okay, guys, let's do it information for 2022. So what do we have for 2022? 1st January to 9th February. Followed by 27 September to 31st October. Okay, 2022 is not leap year. Okay, calculate number of days first. So, January 31 plus February 9. So, you will get 40. And then 27 September, September 30 minus 27 plus 1 plus October 31. Total up number of days is 75 days. Okay. Here we go, everyone. Let's try link 2. Conditions number 1 in YA 2021. I need 1 day in December. So December, I need 31st December. Do we have 31st December? Yes, we do. Okay, next. So you go down to YA 2022. After 31st December, the month will be January and I need 1st January. Do we have 1st January? Yes, we do. From 1st January, make sure that you get 182 consecutively. Okay, one by one, guys. 1st January to 9 February, we got 40 days. Not enough. So what should we do? Okay, you go down. 9 February, the next day supposed to be 10 February. However, here is 27 September. Where is our 10 February? 10 February is missing. She was not in Malaysia. So, cancel our link to cancel, guys. Okay, fine. Let's try C. Okay, try C. C, 2021. Stay in Malaysia for at least 90 days. But here we go, less than 90. So, no C as well. So, what should we do, guys? Last option, try D. Isn't it? Okay, what is D? D. We don't need number of days in 2021. It doesn't matter. Even though she was not in Malaysia at all, still we can apply D. D, there are 2 conditions. Okay, condition number 1. 3 immediate preceding years are resident. Since our YA here is YA 21, so 3 immediate preceding will start with 2021, 2019 to 2018, 3. Okay, look at the status. 2020 resident, yes. 19 resident, yes. 18 also resident, guys. Meaning to say first condition is met. Okay, now we go to the second condition, guys. Okay, second condition is what? Next year, YA 2022 is also resident. Okay, let's determine resident status for 2022. Okay, 75 days, total up. 40 plus 35, 75 days. Guys, 75 days, less than YA 2, right? So we cannot use A. So what should we do? Okay, we try B. How about link by? Can we try link by? Yes, because we have 2021, isn't it? Okay, first conditions. Link by. I need 1 day in January. Because you are here, you are going to reverse to the previous year. So this year you're going to start with January. So January, I need 1st January. Do we have 1st January? Yes, we do. Therefore, first condition is met. Okay, second condition. Okay, now you reverse to 2021. So January, you go start. Okay, you reverse. So last year, you will start at the end of calendar, which is December. So December, I need 31st December. Do we have 31st December? Yes, we do. Okay, look at the first layer here. 19 December to 31st December, we got 13 days. Right? Okay, fine. 13 days is not enough because I need 182 consecutively. Okay, what should we do? You go up here. Make sure period is consecutive. 18, and then you go down here is 19 consecutive, is it? However, guys, however, she was not in Malaysia, but this is TA. So before you guys can apply TA, what should we do, everyone? Make sure before and after TA, she was in Malaysia. So TA start 16 August. So 15 August she was in Malaysia. Yes, she was. Yeah, she was. Okay. And then, how about TA? Last TA 18 December. So after 18, 19, she was in Malaysia as well. So what can we do? We accept this TA. Okay. So 125 plus 13. Now we got 138 days. Still not enough. Isn't it? What should we do? So you go up here. So 16. So you go up here 15 August. Guys, period is consecutive, right? Okay, so this one another 10 days. Do we get 182 yet? Not yet. Still not enough. What should we do? Okay, you go up here. Another one layer. Guys, look at the date. Is it consecutive? 5th August to 6th consecutive? Guys, this is TA, right? Just now I said what? If you want to use this TA, you want to add this TA, make sure you check. Before and after TA, she was in Malaysia. So TA start 31st July. So 30th July, she was in Malaysia, right? Okay, last TA 5th August. So after TA 6th August, she was in Malaysia. Isn't it? Okay. Now, we accept these 6 days. Okay. How many days already, guys? Let me calculate. 6 plus 10 plus 125 plus 13. So I got here 154. Still not enough. Still not enough. I need 182. Okay, what should we do? Okay, so you go up here. Go up here. Make sure period consecutive. 30 to 31st July consecutive. So another 46 days. Guys, let me calculate. Okay, plus 46 days. Guys, I got 200. More than 182, isn't it? So therefore, 2022, the answer is resident. Section 7, subsection 1B. How do we give reason? Stay in Malaysia less than 182 days. But the period is linked by what year? 2021. For 182 days, for at least 182 days consecutively, including TA. Okay. Settle for our YA 2022. Guys, remember just now why we did 2022 first? Because 2021, we were trying to use D. So in order to do D, so one of the condition is next year is a resident, isn't it? Look at our YA 2022. Is it resident? Yes, therefore, YA 2021, the answer is resident. Section 7, subsections 1D. How do we give reason? Next year is a resident, so next year is YA 22. And 3 immediate preceding years. Just now, what were the year? 2020, 1918 are also resident. Okay. Guys, this is how you guys answer for past year, February 2023. Make sure that you guys try these questions. Alright? So this is a very interesting question. So make sure that everyone do it these questions. So I guess that's all from me. Thank you, everyone.